It's slow.
Nah, sis, you know it don't be snowing. It be hot. Stop playing. And first, before I get started, I'm gonna take my caramel and just put a little bit here. If you want to use honey, you can use that, but I'm gonna use my caramel. Okay, now I have my cup. It already have like some from last time I made some, but I want it to be fresh still. So what I'm trying to show you on another video when I was making some coffee, but it was like out of the clips. It wasn't like showing. So I'm gonna show you now. Cause you can see I poured on here. Take that and put it on top. If you want the top of your, the rim of your cup, in order to like coat it, and you have ice, and you can like, what am I gonna do? Go ahead and do it like this. See, it's on there. I'm gonna take this again, put a little bit of teaspoon bit of salt, and pour it on here. A little bit of my nutmeg, like half a pinch, and also a little bit of my allspice, and do the same. And a little bit, just a teaspoon of my brown sugar as well. The same thing. Take this cup and do the top like that as well, so we can get all around the top. See? The sugar. Okay, you can put that cup in the freezer if you want to let it freeze. I'm just gonna put mine to the side. I'm gonna take this. I already had coffee and everything in it. It was in the freezer, so you might see a little residue. Things of instant coffee. If you have the, the coffee brewed or anything like that, go ahead and use that. Do the same for the other. Okay, I'm just gonna take my eggnog and put that in there. And a little bit more sugar. Okay, if you watch my channel, I know I like to cover it up, the top, before I shake it, and that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna take this glass again. Have you seen that video I did when I did the review for the eggnog and coffee ice cream? I'm gonna be using both of them. So my coffee one, this is for the floating part. The eggnog one, put that in there as well. Good. I forgot it got ice cream, so I really don't need no ice. I mean, a little bit of the ice cream. We take a little bit of that allspice and shake it on here. And then take a little bit of that salt and do the same. And just take, I still got some little bit of sugar and on this, so yeah, I'm gonna just try to take some of this stuff and sprinkle on here. What's up, y'all? Ice cream on first. Add it down a little bit now. Ate down. It's giving Jill Scott. Is it the way I love this baby? Because I do. No rate. Just know that it ain't. Ain't down. You can't let this drink pass you by, no. Work it out. Ooh, ooh. Then it's at my max, and I thought I did very well.